Hello! In this video, we will introduce a Fancify theme that you can use for your real estate website. Do you know why to choose Fancify? The answer is simple. It easily goes with Elementor, and it's fully responsive to all screens. Fancify has more than 20 unique listing layouts, including grid view, list view, grid view with a map, carousel properties, sidebar layouts, and card view. All of them come with multiple style options. This theme provides various filter and sort options. They include listing types, property types, minimum and maximum price, location, featured or hot offers, agents or agencies, and many more. Fancify Property Detail Builder uses customizable Elementor widgets. It provides more than 20 different widgets. Fancify has various pre-built search fields. Customers can search properties based on listing types, location, lot area, property type, price, and different amenities. For the Fancify theme, you can even create and add your own custom fields. With the theme, you will enjoy various agent and agency options. While building an agent and agency profiles, you can add cover image, socials, agents list, detailed info, statistics, about me information, contact form, and property listings. With the dashboard, you can allow front-end access for clients, agents, or agencies. Fancify's exclusive widgets such as testimonials, title builder, pricing package, MailChimp, recent posts, and property location will cover your needs. What's more to know? A lot! Download the Fancify theme now and continue exploring.